Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Pinterest and want to stop your partner info from being used for ads, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off partner info usage for ads on Pinterest. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll be following the latest process. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you to your main profile page, where you can see your saved pins, boards, and account options. Now, look for the settings menu. On your profile page, there's usually a gear icon or a menu button. Tap on that to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Ads Personalization. This is where Pinterest manages how your information is used to show you ads. Under this section, you'll see an option called Use of Partner Info. This setting allows Pinterest to use information from its partners to personalize the ads you see. To stop Pinterest from using your partner info for ads, simply toggle off the switch next to Use of Partner Info. When the toggle is off, Pinterest will no longer use this data to tailor advertisements for you. That's it. You've now successfully turned off partner info usage for ads on Pinterest. This means you'll see less personalized ads, and your experience will be a bit more private. Taking a few moments to review your ad settings can make a big difference in how your data is used online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more private Pinterest experience.